a guide you to mention someone on your Instagram story. So let's go to Instagram, go to the story over here. You can take a photo or otherwise you can go for the camera roll. So I'm taking the photo. And if you tap on AA the text, here you can find @mention. If you tap on that, here you can see, if you tap on that, here you can type any of the account names that you want and the people will be tagged. So if you tap on your story, then that story will be shared by mentioning them. If you forget an story while mentioning, so if you need to mention that person after uploading the story, you can go to the three dots here. Here you can find add mentions. Once the people or the person had mentioned on the story, second time they won't be mentioned. So you can see the black mark like this. So if you need to tag other person, you can go for the search and you can search for them and you can type on add. This is how you can mention someone on your Instagram story. Thank you.